Hey y'all, welcome back to Dearlycdawn. I know it's been a long time. But it's 2025. I need to start the year right with decluttering and cleaning up that fridge. It has been a long time since I've done that. So I'm going to I don't want to spend more than an hour on cleaning it up. But I have my arsenals here to help me. So I have my Bissell steam shot. There is a hose for it, but I don't know where that is. But thankfully the cord is long. So the water I put in there is from a 4-liter jug. It's distilled water just because I don't want calcium to build up if I'm using tap water. I have my roll here of reusable towels, so you can just tear it off. So I'll use that. And I need to clean the outside of the fridge, so I have the stainless steel cleaner and polisher. And then I have my all-purpose cleaner here, infused by Casabella. I don't know if they sell this anymore because I got it years ago. So this is gonna be quick, it's gonna be fast, hopefully. But I mean, do you guys want to see the fridge? Hold on, let me show you. Okay, so yeah, I gotta clean that out. I'm literally all about condiments, veggies and fruits, but this has been a hot mess for a while. So yeah, see all the condiments, dressings, everything in here. So I just want to clean it out, start the year fresh, because it's been a while since I've done that. So I don't think I've really, I clean it here and there, but I feel like I need to make a home series where I go room to room, cleaning and organizing, decluttering, tossing things, just because I don't think I need all of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna start with cleaning. And if you're new here, hey, returning, thank you. So I really should have started with the door, but I feel like this will be easy to deal with, so I'll deal with that in a moment. But look at my shelf. I have to clean the crisper bin and I have to clean the drawers, but dang, my shelf. So I have everything just laid out here, my drinks on the floor, a couple things right here. So yeah, I hope this just takes less than an hour, but I don't think so. It's just gonna be a lot of tossing, because it's a lot of condiments from things that I've ordered. So I'm just gonna get to cleaning the mats. Like, look at that. Ugh. Gotta really clean that. And then I'll let that dry, and then while that's drying, I'll clean the shelf. I I don't know if I can take these bins out, but I'll try. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm actually going to see if I can take these straws. Oh, well, yeah, there I go. And take this one out. Oh my god. Do not kill me for not continuing to clean this thing. Oh my god. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be using my my Bissell. Yep. A little bit more spill here, so I'm gonna see if I can. So I think I'm good here steaming. Let me see if I can get. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly clean that. So I ripped this off. I'm going to also spray, make sure everything is good. Alright, y'all, so I took another cloth, a dry one, to like try to clean and get the areas. We'll try to dry the areas that are wet. So hope I got every corner. So I'm just going to close this for a moment. And then I know these are cold, so I don't want to hit them with anything hot. I'll probably just do a very cold wipe, and then I'll put them right back because it is cold. I don't want the heat and the cold to break this glass shelf, so I'm just gonna see if I can quickly put it in the sink, wipe it with cold water, and then put it back. Or just, you know what, I might just dampen one of the cloths with the all-purpose cleaner and then put it back, if I can get to it. So let's see if I can clean that. Okay, so let's see if I can just at least clean this with the all-purpose cleaner. Okay, not bad. I try to get it clean as possible. We're gonna try to put this back in the fridge, and then we have one more shelf to clean out, but I don't know if I can remove this. Hold on. The shelf has the crisper. Oh, I can remove it. Okay, so let me put the shelves back in, and then we'll remove and clean that. This is all chocolate. When my aunt and I were making Dubai chocolate bars, because I bought the mold, and you know, seeing all the fuss, I was just like, we gotta try, and messed it up in the process. But you know what, it's all good. So where did these shelves go? Hold on, I gotta look back. Okay, y'all, I put it in wrong. I have to go back to the videos and say, where did I put this again? The larger one goes on top, the smaller one goes at the bottom. Okay, I switched it out. So I quickly want to wipe the liners so I can quickly get that in there and put these and put the foods right back, because it's been a little bit since it's been outside. So and I think this was the height, I believe. Oh, I can't remember. I feel like I yet again have to go back and check, but no, I feel like let me see. I was really sitting here going back through the footage like, okay, where was it again? So now I really did correct it. I'm going to take out the other shelf, dry, and while that shelf is, you know, trying to what do you say, I guess not defrost, but I guess chill a little bit, I'm going to dry the liners, put them in, start getting stuff in, and while the shelf at the top is chilling out, I'm going to do the door. I'll probably use my steamer to steam and try to get rid of all the if there's any ring marks from like bottles or the condiments, I'll try to clear that out. But right now my main focus is on like trying to get things back in the fridge and the drawers. I feel like I have so much to do. I feel like this is taking me more than an hour. Oh my gosh. Well, it hasn't been more than an hour. Probably a good half an hour so far. So I feel like I could do it. So let's try to speed this up here. So this is one of the drawers that I had like the garlic, the onions, and everything in. I'm just gonna wash it with soapy water and try to see if I can dry it as fast as possible. So I'll be doing that with both of the drawers. trying to clean that out, so I'm just gonna put this all in the garbage. This is where I am drying them right now. So I'm hoping that it doesn't take too long to dry, and then I'll just quickly help it along with wiping it to dry. Again, I need to deal with this over here. So let me wipe down this shelf, and then I can clean the crisper so that I can start putting things back in the fridge, because it's been a little bit long out here. So let's do this. Okay, so I also washed the flexi bin, the crisper bin, and just take note right here. I don't know if you can see that. All of these bins do say hand wash only with warm water and mild soap. Right here you can see like as if it's like some sort of petroleum or something, I guess to make the wheels move smoother. So just be careful of this. I did not realize until I had the bin, so I don't know if it was with the shelf and the wheels to make it glide and move easy. So just be careful of that. But I did wash it out. The bins look like they're on its way to being dry, so I will wipe this. But now look at all this. Look at all this on the floor too. So I'm going to start putting things back since I that I put the lining back. I have to put the lining back on the bottom one as well, and then we'll clean this, and then I'll be done with the fridge. I know the fridge is you know, including the freezer, but yeah, we're gonna have to do that for another day. Freezer, yeah, I mean, it's not too bad, and I also have liners in there as well too. So I might just organize this and maybe clean it out another day, or see if I have enough time to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna put all my drinks at the top. So at the top, yeah, this is from Costco, honey apple and cinnamon base. Yep, big jar for myself. So I'm just gonna put that in the corner with my pomegranate juice and my chai tea latte. I don't have much left. I'm just going to put this here in the corner, because in the corner I had my 2 bins that I did not wash that I should wash. And sit in here before sit in here. My almond milk is going to be put here in the corner. And then my 2 shelves, my 2 bins that you saw, I broke the handle on one, but it's okay. I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna quickly rinse them out, and then I'm gonna put everything back in, toss some things, and then So I have my spreadables here, and then I have my sauces here, and I broke this container, but it's okay. So I just cleaned it out, wiped it, put it back, and that is that. So I think this is exclusively my drink shelf, because I have my waters, kombucha, drinks, pop. I did put the drawers back, so I wiped it a bit, put the drawers back, so now I could put my things in. Okay, so I'm trying to put the crisper bin in, and I realized I have to slide it back in, because the grooves right here, there's grooves. I don't know if you can see it. There's grooves right here to slide it in. So now I have to remove this top shelf, put the bin in, and then put everything back. Going to quickly tackle this. I just need to start removing my wines. Yes. Okay, as you can see, that was pretty fast at cleaning and dealing with that door. I tossed some of the things, like I know I had like cream cheese and stuff in there, but yeah, that's been a long time. Ooh, like a few months, and yeah, you can tell that it's been in the fridge for a while. But yeah, so that's what I did. I'm also going to quickly clean here. I'm just gonna polish it because it needs to be polished. I just sprayed the fridge. Ooh, yeah, I just sprayed the fridge, and I think you have to like go against the grain, and I'm going to remove that because we'll deal with that later. So I think you have to, is it go against the grain or go against, wait, hold on, how do I wipe it? Like this? Is it like this? I just feel like I need to just use my steamer. Okay, so thanks for watching me clean. I know I gotta just organize the top of the fridge, but I was dealing with inside just because it's been a while. So anyways, thanks for watching me organize. I think I organize. Well, just clean the fridge. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I might do, maybe I should do the kitchen or laundry room next. Something to think about. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one. So it's actually not a bye, see you guys later. It's actually like, well, hello, good morning, because I don't know what I was thinking about cleaning the fridge. I also had to clean the freezer, so I got everything out of there just because some things were not organized and I just didn't know where my fruits were, where my veggies were, meat. So I had to clean up. I had to wipe everything down and just get rid of stuff just because it's been a long time. Some items have been a long time. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. But I organized to put all my fruits together and all my veggies together, my meat together, and anything else that I froze, they were together. So I just needed to do that just to feel like I completely cleaned and organized the fridge and freezer. So that's it, y'all. Now really, bye.